Well, there's Miss Rayleigh this morning. Can you smile? We haven't seen a smile. Well, I haven't seen a smile yet. But we're looking for one any day, aren't we? Yeah. And you wiggle. Show them how you wiggle. She lost a sock. Down there. We gotta go find that sock. Probably someplace in the kitchen. Somewhere around the house. What a pretty girl she is. Oh, well, there's another one. Now, you know how she is. She eats and then she gets rid of some of it. And then she gets the hiccups. And then she's a happy girl. We're expecting those hiccups any minute.